Before we dive into today's coin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of the rare coin updates that could change the way you see your collection forever. Today, we're talking about a coin that quietly sits in countless wallets and coin jars across America. Yet many collectors have overlooked its hidden potential. The 2004 Jefferson Nickel. At first glance, it may seem like just another 5-cent piece, but the story behind it and its current market value might just surprise you. The Jefferson Nickel has a long-standing place in American history. First minted in 1938, this coin has carried the profile of Thomas Jefferson, one of America's founding fathers, through decades of change. Each year, the U.S. Mint carefully strikes these coins with a precise balance of artistry and durability, making them more than just currency. They're tiny pieces of history in your hands. The 2004 D-Mint mark indicates it was struck in Denver, a facility known for producing coins with a high standard of quality and consistency. What sets the 2004 D Jefferson Nickel apart is not just the design, but the nuances of its production and the collector attention it has begun to attract. Unlike coins that were produced in the millions, this particular nickel has quietly become a gem for collectors who understand that rarity is not just about scarcity, but about condition, provenance, and the subtle variations that differentiate one coin from another. Collectors who look closely at the details of the coin's strike, the clarity of Jefferson's profile, and the sharpness of the inscriptions may notice features that others pass by. It's in these details that value is born. Over the years, the 2004 D Jefferson Nickel has drawn attention for specific characteristics that can significantly enhance its worth. Coins that show a full, well-struck portrait of Jefferson with no, where on the high points, are particularly prized. Coins with flawless surfaces, original luster, and minimal contact marks are often graded by professional services at higher tiers, instantly elevating their market value. These are the coins that seasoned collectors seek, and they are willing to pay a premium for them. But why should someone in our age group, those of us who remember when a nickel could buy a candy bar, care about this coin today? The answer lies in the combination of nostalgia and investment potential. We've seen time and again how coins once considered ordinary suddenly gain recognition and value, as younger collectors enter the hobby and the older coins become rarer in the marketplace. Owning a 2004 D Jefferson Nickel in pristine condition is like holding a small piece of both history and financial foresight. The market has taken notice. Recent trends indicate that coins like the 2004 D Jefferson Nickel, especially those in top grades, have steadily increased in value. Unlike other collectibles that may rise and fall with trends, coins grounded in historical significance and physical rarity often show remarkable stability. A coin that could once be overlooked in a pocket change pile now commands attention from collectors nationwide, making it an exciting addition to any collection. What makes this coin particularly intriguing is how attainable it is. Unlike centuries-old coins that require substantial investment, the 2004 D Jefferson Nickel provides an opportunity for collectors to secure a piece of numismatic history without breaking the bank. For those who take the time to study the coin, understand its features, and seek out the best examples, there is potential for significant reward. And here's the part every collector loves. The current market has recognized the value of this coin, and a well-preserved 2004 D Jefferson Nickel can reach an impressive $1,207. That's right. What many may have considered a simple 5-cent coin has quietly become a $1 million level opportunity for those who understand its worth and rarity. So, if you're sorting through your change, don't rush past that nickel. Look at the mint mark, inspect the details, and imagine what history it has passed through before reaching your hand. In the world of coin collecting, the smallest pieces can often carry the greatest stories and the biggest surprises. For those of us who have collected coins for decades, finding a gem like the 2004 Jefferson Nickel is more than a hobby. It's a reminder that history, art, and value can fit into the palm of your hand. So check your drawers, examine your nickels, and who knows, you might be holding a coin that quietly holds a value of $1,207.